Part 2 of Jelly Baby Autopsy. Jelly Baby's name, John Doe.
Orientation has been made. We now have to open the cavities and take a look inside. He's a bit stiff.
He's been dead for a while.
I don't call them stiffs for nothing. He's been dead 3 days. He pongs of it. As we can see, when we have light. Thank you, nurse. He died from a single stab wound to the chest.
After death.
Post-mortem. So he died from after. We shall now behead him. He is unsafe to eat. Hence the autopsy. We will do a lobotomy.
In other words, stab the shit out of him.
There. Sew him up. His family won't know the difference. Stick him in a casket. And he'll be cremated.
It's now 3:54 AM. Darling. I was gonna